Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Lankybox video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Step 1. Make a thumbnail. Every good YouTube video needs a thumbnail. So go onto your favorite YouTuber's channel and find a thumbnail to use as a reference. Once you found your thumbnail, plaster your shocked face onto it, and the final result should look something like this. Step 2. Buy the merch. Open your nearest computer and order on Amazon. Step 3. Take the video. Find a blue wall and set up your tripod. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lankybox. Yeah! Step 4. Add the intro music. Step 4. Add some terrible CG. Any terrible green screen overlay is fine. Step 6. Add a crap ton of sound effects. And by a crap ton, I literally mean an unnecessary amount of sound effects. And for our final step, make a clickbait title for your video. Just write an extremely long title in all caps that include the word Lankybox and pair it with your thumbnail. And congratulations, you have yourself a Lankybox video. I'm actually gonna smash my keyboard! No! It's Wuggy! Ah! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lankybox. Yeah! Today we're going to be playing Adopt Me.